Last month, I talked to three different operations teams from three different warehouses. And do you know what I found common in them? Every single team is spending around 18 to 20 hours a week manually inputting their data into their warehouse management system. The information from BOLs, purchase orders, sales orders, delivery notes, commercial invoices, quotations, and more, which is kind of old school in this AI generation, right? Mid-sized to large companies has actually automated this process years back, but the small businesses are actually spending a lot of time and resources doing the same thing every single day, which can be easily automated. This video is for someone who actually want to automate the things, and if you think this is hard, no, it's not that hard, and you can simply build a MVP under 5 minutes. Let me show you how. So to build an MVP, we can use any AI developer tool. You can use your favorite one, whatever you like. Then from there, we can start talking to the AI. So before talking to the system itself, I want to give it a proper format so that we can have a fully featured app ready under 5 minutes. So let me start with a role. Always start with a role. Then we can give it a context. Then we will have an objective, what we are building. Objective. Then we will have a constraints, what are the constraints we will have, and then we will have a final structure output, right? Final output. So within that, with this framework, we can simply build a fully functioning app that will actually read the PO, BOLs, or any sort of supplier documentations, and within a few clicks we can directly push it in the WMS, warehouse management system, as well. Instead of typing word by word prompt, I'm putting the whole prompt in the comment section. You can simply copy paste from there. So this is the prompt I have written, and you can simply copy paste. The role is simply a full stack or AI engineer, and the name is Nero's Log AI, Logistics AI. Simple. Then you can hit send. Now we can see here, under 5 minutes our logistics app is actually ready. So you can simply upload your documents down here. AI will extract the information, review the information, and push it to the WMS. We don't have a warehouse management system with us, so I have mock it with the Google Sheet, so that it will be easier to see if it actually puts the data to the warehouse management system. So yeah, you can upload their documents based on that. So let me try out. So I have a simple bill of lading. I have this document down here. It's just a sample document. I created by myself to test it out. So you can simply upload the documents. Once the document is successfully uploaded, we can simply extract the information from here. Our information is validating. Once it is done, so you can see here it has extracted the information from the document. BOLs and everything is, you can see the score as well. This high, medium, everything is given here. These are the high. It has a high confidence. So yeah, everything listed over here has been extracted. So name, supplier name, consignee, PO, picking date, and all sort of information. So I have added a human in a loop in that prompt as well. So you can simply approve this document. Once you approve that, you will see a Google Sheet. Over here is a WMS integration just for the testing purpose. When you go to the Google Sheet, here is, we don't have any information down here. If you want to push that information, if everything is validated, you can simply push it, or if you want to change it, you can change that in the previous stage as well. Once you have all this information, you can simply push it to the warehouse management system in a single click. Yeah, now it's pushed into the WMS, and if I go actual to the data, now the data is actually here. All this information is filled over here. This is how easy it is to automate the manual processes that has been rooted over there for years. And this sort of basic automation can actually help companies to save a decent amount of time and help teams to actually focus on other ideas. And this is the right time to actually implement this type of automation.